Let's go. What's up?
What's up, dude?
Alright homies, so I hope you're enjoying all the content. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be focusing on this beast right here behind me. It's a Chevy C20 1980, 250, inline 6, factory everything.
Just take a nap.
Quick nap.
Like always.
Alright, let's see if this thing will start. Alright, I'm sure most of you have seen it. Beautiful truck that we're going to be starting the restore on. Thing's a beast. So basically, we're going to tear her down, take her apart, paint her up. I'm going to restore the original engine it has right now, the 250cc. And then, yeah. All right, here we go. Coming up on the first turn here. That's how you drive a stick shift. Let's go. You gotta see Sean. We need to get gas actually. I wonder if that works. It says I have 3/4 of a tank. I put some in and it went up a little, but I don't think there's any way it can fucking work though. 40. Thanks, codes. Hank, what do you think?
I think it's needs some work.
I think it's a beast. That sounds good. It's not here. Watch how this is done here. Silicon gas done here. Just pour it in there. Reconnect, and you're good.
What? Oh yeah. Bring her on out. Was that the wood? Yeah. Oh my god! Ah. Ooh. We made it. Well, all it took was about 12 holes.
Well,
What do you think about that?
the flow didn't work out too good.
I'd say so.
Alright.
What are you doing now?
We gotta fucking do something wild. Half. That's a half send right there. Wait, can you see that? It's half. Very red, white, and berry. So the only tool you're gonna need for this installation is a trusty 5-pound hammer and some alcohol.
Definitely one way to take it out.
Best tool in the book right here. Other best tool in the book. Rattle can.
So what's going on here, sir?
Oh, you know, just a regular old day.
What are you doing? Are you moving this?
Hold on, no, we're not moving. We're adding horsepower.
There's about 25, 24. That's perfect.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right.
Oh, dude, that's like a fucking
50 horsepower.
super steering wheel now.
Yeah, I know. This thing's sick. Look at all
like
the
a
dash.
spaceship.
Look at all the dash visibility. I just fucking improved it. Look at that. Oh yeah. Fucking, this thing is it, bro. Oh wait. Wait a minute.
Uh-oh.
This thing is like a little bit wonky. I need to fix this. Hold on. Archive this. Hold on. Check out under the hood. We gotta check out all the horses.
Nice. Is that the color we're doing?
It is right now.
On the tire.
Can you read that? Not really. It's not that good. Custom. Picasso.
Gosh, so.
Truck. 2. Hey. I think you can't even see it. Hold on, I gotta move the truck. This is a terrible position. Get in.
Steering wheel
All right.
on too. Custom.
Custom
Recommend.
everything. Keyless.
Keyless too.
Look at that.
Yep, okay.
Keyless. This is our 40-year-old whip. Yeah, 0.1 second, fires right up. Idles like better than your mother does. Installed. You get a good shot of it right there.
Oh yeah.
Untitled Chevys like they used to.
What, did you see that?
Wait, needs an adjustment.